Hello students, welcome to Inspire EDUCARE. In the last video, we learnt about arithmetical operators, and in this video, we will see how relational operators work. Relational operators. These operators are used to check the relation between two variables, like whether they are similar or not similar, etc. They return a value in either 1 or 0, 1 being true and 0 being false. Let's go through each of these operators one by one. Equal to operator checks whether the value in two variables are same or not. If they are same, it returns true. If they are not, it returns false. To understand it better, let's go through this very short example. In this program, we have three variables a, b and c. The value of a and b are 10 and the value of c is 15. And under that we are printing the value of a's equality with b and c. We know that a is equal to b, both have the same value, that is 10. So when we run this program, the first statement should read the value of a equal to b is 1, because 1 stands for true. And below that the statement should read the value of a equal to c is false, because a is 10 and c is 15, and here's the output. Not equal to operator checks whether the values in two variables are different or not. If they are different, it returns true. If they are not, it returns false. Taking the same example but replacing the equal to operator with not equal to operator, we can see that now it should return a value of 1 in the first statement and a value of 0 in the second, and that's what we get. A greater than operator checks whether the left operand is greater than the right operand. If it is greater, the operator returns true. If it's not, the operator returns false. In this example, a and b are 10 while c is 15. So the value of a greater than b should be false because a and b are equal, while on the other hand, the value of a greater than c should also be false because c is 15 and a is 10. A lesser than operator checks whether the left operand is lesser than the right operand. If it is lesser, the operator returns true. If it's not, the operator returns false. In this example, the value of a and b is 10 while c is 15. Since a and b are equal, the value of a less than b should be 0, while the value of a less than c should be 1 because a is 10 and c is 15. A greater than or equal to operator checks whether the left operand is either greater or equal to the right operand. If that's the case, it returns true, otherwise false. Using the same variables and values, in this example, a and b are equal, so the value of a greater than or equal to b should be 1, whereas the value of a greater than or equal to c should be 0 because c is greater than a. A lesser than or equal to operator checks whether the left operand is either lesser or equal to the right operand. If that's the case, it returns true, otherwise false. In this example, the values are same. A is 10, b is 10 and c is 15. Since a is not less than b but it is equal to b, the value of a less than equal to b should be 1. Whereas the value of a less than equal to c should also be 1 because c is 15, which is greater than a. We'll see the remaining types of operators in another video. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.